Hey there, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to give you a simple, step-by-step Canva design tutorial so you can create beautiful professional designs right now. Stick with me until the end, and you'll have an awesome graphic ready to share with everyone. First, go to canva.com and log in. If you're new, create a free account. It takes about a minute. On the home page, use the search bar to pick your desired size. Instagram post, YouTube thumbnail, A4 or a custom size. I'm choosing an Instagram post, 1080 by 1080. Inside the editor, I always start with the structure. Tap on File, then turn on Show Rulers and Show Guides. Turn on Margins and add a 3x3 grid from the Elements panel. This will help keep your layout balanced. Now pick a style. On the left, under Templates, there are thousands of ready-made layouts. I always choose a clean template, then I change it a lot to make it my own. Click on a template you like. It will load instantly. Next up, typography. Select a headline. Change the font from the top bar. For body text, use a simple sans serif font with a bold display font. Keep the content hierarchy clear. Large headlines, medium subheads, and small details. Set line spacing to 1.1 to 1.3 to make the text look tighter and more modern. Time for colors. Click on Styles or use the color picker. Choose a main color, a neutral color, and an accent color. For contrast, use dark text on a light background, or the other way around. If you have your logo and brand colors saved, use the brand kit, Photos and Visuals. Go to Photos or Uploads. Drag in your photo, then right-click and send to back, or set it as a background. If you have Canva Pro, use the background remover. Click Edit Photo, BG Remover, and refine with Erase, Restore. Brighten your image by adjusting Auto Enhance, Brightness, and Saturation. Graphics. In Elements, search for simple shapes or icons. Use a maximum of 2 or 3 styles. Line icons with line icons, don't mix them. For easy-to-read text, use a circle or rectangle behind the text with 20–40% transparency. Arrangement is key. Select the items and pay attention to the pink snap lines. Use position, tidy up for even spacing. Leave some space along the edges. The text shouldn't be right up against the border. If needed, add some subtle movement. Click Animate and choose a subtle option like Fade or Pop. Keep it clean, less is more. Pages and variations. Duplicate the page to try different colors or photos. Compare them and pick the best one. Shortcuts for working faster: T for a text box, R for a rectangle, C for a circle, CMD Ctrl+D to duplicate, Shift to select multiple items, and K to group. Export like a pro. Click Share, Download. For social images, choose PNG. If needed, check transparent background. For print, choose PDF print with CMYK and crop marks if available. For video or animated posts, choose MP4, 1080p for clear quality. Quality tips: keep the contrast high, limit fonts to 2 families, use a consistent color palette, and always preview on your phone before posting.